Temperate deciduous forests are found between 40 degrees and 60 degrees north and south of the equator. The precipitation is high, between 500 to 1,500 millimeters a year. The temperatures remain on average above 0 degrees Celsius even in the winter. The summer temperatures average between 25 to 20 degrees Celsius. The winter is cooler, encouraging the trees to shed their leaves. The keystone species of a temperate deciduous forest are the white-tailed deer, as it is an herbivore and therefore keeps plants at normal levels and also keeps the tertiary consumers such as bears fed. Insects are another keystone species, as they keep most of the organisms fed one way or another, and they also keep plants in moderation.
The food web in the deciduous forest starts with the many plants. These plants are eaten by herbivores like small insects and deer. Then these insects are eaten by primary consumers like rodents, birds, and skunks. Then secondary consumers like foxes and owls eat the smaller animals who eat insects. Finally, bears, hawks, and cougars eat all of the secondary and primary consumers.
Some biotic factors of the deciduous forest include deciduous trees, oak trees, birch trees, eastern chipmunks, red-tailed hawks, least weasels, coyotes, and carpet moss. Some abiotic components of the deciduous forest include soil, sunlight, competition for space, rain, and wind patterns.
The deciduous forest is so important because it's a major source for the world's lumber to make houses, furniture, and other goods. It also supplies the majority of the world's maple syrup.
Because the deciduous trees shed all of their leaves, the soil ends up being richer in nutrients, and the decomposers in the biome have more nutrients to decompose. This nutrient-rich soil is very important in agriculture.
But the most important aspect of the deciduous forest are the trees that supply us with oxygen. As a biome made up of mostly trees, the deciduous forests in the world play a major role in the global carbon cycle to keep the air clean. Without these forests, the air would be far less clean and it would negatively affect the health of humans.